Hey guys, so it is it's Wednesday, which is really like Tuesday because this was a holiday week, and I'm in the process of getting a 2-Minute Tuesday out today because it's Tuesday even though it's Wednesday. I know, just give me a break. But anyway, the first thing I have to do is clean up my desk because it's gotten kind of out of control, and I think I probably need to do something about that because it just makes me more productive when I have a cleaner desk. So that's what I'm going to do. Meetings are essential to any business, but are you just having meetings to have meetings? Or are you actually accomplishing something? Let's talk about that. Welcome back, everybody, to another 2-Minute Tuesday. This is All Things MSP. This isn't. This is Eric Anthony. But anyway, All Things MSP, it's a Facebook group. If you haven't joined it, please go down in the description, click on that link, join the Facebook group. That's where we have a lot of great conversations about being IT service providers, the changes that are coming in the marketplace, and all the cool things you guys can do to grow your businesses. So many meetings are remnants of people who decided we needed to have meetings in the past, so we just continue to have meetings that really don't have any purpose anymore. So what are some of the things that we can do to make our meetings better, make them accomplish more, and make sure we're only having meetings when we need to have meetings? Now, in my opinion, there's really only 4 reasons to have a meeting. Number 1 is to make a decision. Number 2 is to make some type of plan of action. Number 3 is to generate new ideas so that you can do new things. And number 4 is to communicate things to a group of people. Those are the 4 things that you need to decide, do I need to have a meeting to do one of those 4 things? Then, what is that thing that I'm trying to do? Now, the next question I'm going to ask is, do I need this meeting because I need the input from other people? Number 1. Number 2, does it need to be interactive? Do we need to go back and forth and hash some things out before we can make a decision or decide on the next plan of action? Now, the next question I'm going to ask myself is, do I need this meeting? So number 1, do I need the input of other people? That's the first question. Number 2, does it need to be interactive? Do I need to get those people together in a room or in these days on Zoom and actually hash this out to get this type of information or reach the goal or decision that I'm trying to get? And then third, really ask yourself, can this be done in an email? Now, one of the reasons why we want to go through this process of really deciding if we need a meeting is because meetings are expensive. It takes a lot of people away from their daily tasks, their individual tasks, and puts them into one room or one Zoom meeting and creates just an expensive environment because you have a lot of expensive people there. So what you want to also do is maximize the effectiveness of the meeting and the timeliness of the meeting. What I mean by that is make sure that you have an agenda. If you don't have an agenda or a plan to get to the goal or the objective of the meeting, you shouldn't even have the meeting. You've got to have that agenda set up ahead of time so people know what to expect and they'll have the information they need for that meeting when they come into the meeting. Number 2, make sure that the meeting is time bound. Make sure that you have a certain period of time set for the meeting. And if you don't have or not close to an answer or your goal during that meeting, just set another meeting, because obviously you're not ready or you didn't set aside enough time for this meeting and you need more information or different people or some other type of resource that you don't have in this meeting to come up with the objective or goal that you were trying to reach. Now, meetings can be highly productive and extremely valuable, but you gotta make sure that A, you need a meeting, and B, that you run it effectively to make sure you're making the most of your resources. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and give it that thumbs down, but make sure you tell me in the comments why you didn't like the video so that I can improve future ones. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you ring the bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks. Have a great one.